Everyone want to play Zynga Poker Mobile with your friends but don't know how to add them? There is a quick guide using both Facebook and non-Facebook method. So if your Zynga Poker account is connected to Facebook, it's super easy. All your Facebook friends who also play the game will be automatically added to your buddy list. Alright. So let me quickly show you. So anyway, but if you're using a guest or Zynga secret account, you'll need to manually add friends. While playing at a table or from the recently played with a tab, you'll find this and tap on a player's profile and then click add to poker table. And this is the button here. And to add friends you haven't played with yet, try this workaround. Both of you should go to a lowest wager table and set it to 9 players and slow speed. I found this method on Reddit. Uh, yes, this is the one. So you need to go to the lowest wager table and then turn the amount of people to 9. And then make sure to turn the speed of the game to slow. And when two-person does this, you will both be popped up at the same table. That is how you can play even with guest mode. And as of now, private table options might be limited in the mobile versions or hidden in event modes. So Zynga hasn't clearly listed this feature in the lobby yet. And anyway, for more Zynga Poker account tabs, you can check out this link. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.